Pellets. Pellets are small free-flowing particles made up of API and excipients. These dosage forms are used in the oral administration, and this process of making pellets is called pelletization. Next, the pelletization is defined as accumulation of which is a size enlargement process. Next, pellet diameter ranges from 0.5 to 2 mm. Okay. Advantages of pellets: its bitter taste is masked, an excellent flow property, suitable for the delivery chemical incompatibility products. These are recommended for the patient with difficulty in swallowing and improve an aesthetic appearance of a product. Reduce the dose dumping. And next, disadvantages of pellets. These disadvantages includes require a high specialized equipment, higher cost of production. Next, requires a trained skilled person to do that, and lack of reproducible manufacturing efficiency. Next, formulation requirements of pellets: fillers, binders, lubricants, this separating agents, disintegrants, pH adjustants, surfactants, glidants, ionization, enhancers, release modifiers. Fillers are used like diluents, give the bulk volume. Binders with bind. Fillers used for the bulk or weight of the product. Example: NCC, cellulose, starch, sucrose. Next, binders. Binders are added to the bind of powder, like examples are HPLC, hydroxypropyl lactose cellulose. Next, gelatin. PEG. Lubricants used for the lubrication. Example: PEG, magnesium stearate, calcium stearate, and glycerin after the lubricant will be reducing the friction between the particles. So, separating agents. These separating agents used in the manufacturing of pellets attract each other, so the separating agents separate the pellets with pellets. Example: kaolin, talc, silicon dioxide. Next, disintegrants. Disintegrants which disintegrates the drug, like allergens and CSS, cross carbonyl sodium. Next, pH adjuster. This pH adjusters example: citrate, phosphate. Next, surfactants which wet solubilize, like HL. We will use for the surfactant HLV scale. Examples: sodium lactate, sulfate, and polysorbate. Next, glidants as same as lubricants, but some difference will be, and starch, magnesium stearate. Examples for that. Next is peronizer enhancers. These peronizer enhancers are agents impart plasticity to the formulation and binding property essential for the strength of a pellets, like NCC. Examples are NCC and sodium CNG. Next, release modifiers are the agents added to the change of the release of a kinetic profile. Examples: water soluble, low molecular weight surfactants, disintegrants, and enhancers for the release of